What's going on, people? This your boy Tune. This YBTV. Today we got a real special one. Today we going on this. Today we going on this Loadboard. Today we're about to show you how to negotiate freight live. We ain't coming out here. You see my glasses? Do you see my glasses? If I'm not about to get busy, I'm gonna name my next child, my next daughter, Winifred. Hey, before we jump into this, we got to jump into this. Bang.
Bring me to Susanna, bring me to Susanna, bring me a dream.
Alright, we back. We boogie. We about to get out. Alright, the first load we gonna call. Like right now, I'm in a kind of terrible area, and I'm trying to get back toward the crib. You already know what time it is with that. It's time for me to go home. My wife been mad at me, trying to get mad at every little thing. Why you got on the purple hat? When you got, you know what time that means, fellas. You know that's time to go home and get slippery. You know what I'm saying? And remember that little game you used to run and just slide on? You know what I'm saying? You know they start getting the attitude. It's time to go home, give them their tune up. So, all right, look. So I'm trying to get to the crib. This one right here, only going for the email. But they say the average on this one is $966. 15-day average, and that's for 211 miles. All right. Bad area. I would probably try to get them up there for a little bit more. B-Mac is high. So I'll call them just so we can laugh in their face. Let's laugh in their face. They $450 for 119 miles. They high. Let's call them and laugh. Let's call them and laugh and see. We about to call them and laugh in their face. Come on, B-Mac. Quit playing with me. You ain't the only one that be macking bees. See how I did that? That was smooth. You see, B-Mac, you ain't the only one that be macking bees. Get it? Macking. See? You get it. The dude in the back get it. The dude in the back get it. Okay, B-Mac taking too long. Let's move on. We was only gonna laugh at them anyway. Like, yeah, whatever. Okay, now we got the one to Warren. Now this is TQL. This is TQL. They be pretty cool, but I'm gonna see. I think I called them earlier.
Thank you for calling Total Quality Logistics. Your call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance.
The load
if you're calling regarding a posting and have a post ID, press 8.
Miles.
If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. If you're a driver or dispatcher, please press 1.
Okay.
If you're a customer or...
Okay,
if you're calling regarding an active posting, please enter your 7-digit post ID now. To return to the previous menu, please press pound. To speak to an operator...
341-9082. You got to put in a post ID for TQL. They got it in the notes right there. Post ID. So you always joke.
Your call is very important to us. Please hold for the next available team member. Thank you.
Quit playing with me, TQL. So I'll be calling like T-Quill. I'm like, can I speak to T-Quill? They're like, what's that? I'm like, TQL, I was just joking, man. What's going on? So, like, you lighten the mood. You give people personality. And you act arrogant. Like, I'm going to show y'all, like, I be arrogant, man. Like, when I be on the phone with them, I be super arrogant. Like, you can't pay me what you going to pay them. I'm super nice. Soon as, especially if you, let me turn this down a little bit. So, when you, that's why it's always important to be on time. Because that's why these companies tell you to be on time. Because they use that as a negotiation tool. Like, hey, we ran the light. If it's a mega carrier, they like, we ran thousands of loads with you. And we got a 98% on time rate. You can't pay us what you pay them. We want more. What we doing? And I was wondering, like, why they always screaming on time? Because some places got late fees.
We are currently experiencing
T
Please
Quill.
continue to hold for the next available team member.
Damn,
Thank you for your patience. Your load information in one
We
place.
can try to call somebody else on the other phone. Another phone right here.
You can search and
Land stop.
more than
What land stop?
65,000 loads each week. Reduce check calls.
782?
And easily manage your loads
782. This is a terrible place to be at.
TQL.com
Okay,
to
let's see
request
what
a
the number
login
is.
or ask your TQL representative to learn more.
Okay, whoever
Thank you for
pick
your
up
patience.
first, I'm hanging up
If
on the
already on
other
the
person.
road, please have your MC number, TQL PO number, or the name of your TQL representative ready. If calling to book a load, please have the
This land
post
stop.
ID ready. A TQL team
And
member
this
will
a
be there
reefer.
shortly.
It's a reefer load too. Who got the best hold music? Sound like they answer. TQL sound like they answering.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for that agency. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message.
Allison, how can I help you?
What's going on, you guys? I see a load going from Winesburg, Ohio to Warren, Michigan.
You have a post ID?
Yeah, I got the post ID right here. It's 3419082. After you pull it up, I want to tell you a little bit about me.
341 something again, 3419283.
9082. Like 82. You know that wine from 82. That's that, that's that Lori Lightfoot right there. That gets you, man, knock your socks off.
Puts you in a different place.
Yeah.
All right, I got it.
She want to drink my wine.
So we're coming out of Winesburg, Ohio tomorrow. First come, first serve from 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. And it's going to be dropping in Warren, Michigan on the 30th at 5:30 in the morning.
Okay. So the 30th, that's what, day after tomorrow? Yeah. Okay. So that, I love it. I like it. So what we doing on the rate? Come on. Now look, I want to tell you about me. I'm amazing. Got good equipment. Always on time. I smell good. I go in there. All the people in the back be like, oh my God, he smells so good. Put him in door 6. So they they love me in there. So y'all got to pay me more than y'all pay the other guys. The other guys coming there smelling bad. They not on time. What we doing? So what we doing?
I don't mean to tell you you've wasted your spiel, but I'm not authorized to cover this load, so I can really only give you information on it and give you the extension of the broker who owns it. They're not going to be in the office until tomorrow morning, so you'll need to call them back. But I do have a direct extension if you want to take it down.
So what will I have to? Are they in now, or it ain't gonna be until tomorrow?
They're not in right now. But they may have their phones forwarded to their cell phone or something. I'm not sure, but I see here like they had it posted for $900. So if that sounds something like you're interested in, then you'll just have to call them back in the morning. I've got an extension for you if you want it.
I'm about to try to call them right now. What's the extension?
52440.
52440. Let me put that in my phone. 52440. So if I wanted to take it for $900, you couldn't book it?
I don't have the authorization to do that. I'd love to line that up for you, but I don't have the authorization to do that.
All right, well, we're going to get busy on it. We're going to get busy. And you know what? I didn't waste my spell. I just wanted you to know how amazing I am. So you know now.
I do know now. I've been touched.
All right.
I appreciate you.
All right, you're amazing. You have a great day.
You too.
All right. Hey, look. End of the day. So she gave me the info. So bam, I'm about to hawk them down. Let me see. This is going to be loud. I'm going to try this one. But then next time we're going to do a part 2. And it's going to be during the daytime. I kind of got out on y'all with this one. I'm sorry.
Thank you for calling Total Quality Logistics. Your call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance.
52440. Let me
If
see.
you're calling regarding a posting and have a post ID, press 8. If you know your party's extension, please dial it now. If you're a driver or a dispatcher, please.
Now let's see. Let's boogie. Let's boogie. See, I did that with my lip. Pick up. I want to show out for YouTube. Come on.
The representative you're trying to reach is currently unavailable.
Man, they don't know how to get no money, man. What you doing? Get some money.
If you're looking for available.
Man, I want to do one more. Let's do one more. Let's see what's up. But the point is, you starting to get the message. I'm on TQL all what. You know what? Look, I don't even want. Oh, somebody got that one. So TQL is booking. They booking. They got something that's a little bit. Damn. They cracking right now, ain't they? Okay. This a van load, though. Y'all ain't want to see no van load. I ain't even doing none of these because these too far away. Oh, $800 from PX. Man, they lost their minds. They high. They on them shrooms or something. Oh, $500. What I'm going to do with that? Now, they won't email me.
Pick up.
Let's see. Hell no, I want an EFS code. Okay, so to make a long story short, it ain't nothing else on here. It gets pretty bad after that. So it's looking like my only hope for tomorrow is the one I talked to. So I'm gonna get a G out of them at least. I'm gonna at least get $1,000 because, like, at the end of the day, I'm always on time. They don't got me on no claims or nothing like that. And I will communicate, and I use the little tracking apps. They ask for the little I forget the name of the tracking apps, but they ask for the little tracking apps, and you use the tracking apps, and they put all that stuff in the computer. You know what I'm saying? When they put that in the computer and they showing that you use that stuff, macro point. I couldn't think of it. Macro point, like you use that stuff. I got one open. So you know what I'm saying? Like you use that, like I'm on a Hinkley load right now. You see, I've arrived. I'm here. I ain't departed yet. So, you use that. Use what they ask you to use. And everything that you doing, use that as a tool of negotiation. Like, hey, you ain't got to call me. I'm macro pointed out. I already know y'all use macro point TQL. Come on, TQL. This is me. This is the Michael Jordan of trucking. What we doing? You know what I'm saying? Smelling good on the docks. You already know. You feel me? So, what we doing? You can let it all hang out, man. I kind of like that because you're able to be yourself. You're able to big dog your way through it. You see the beard. Rick Ross stole this from me. This your boy Tool. I'm gonna get with y'all. I promise y'all part 2 about to be crazier. I'm gonna drop the part 2 next week, and we gonna go through and we gonna start my week off, and we gonna probably be at the crib, and I'm gonna be booking loads. And when I hit them, I'm gonna start doing these all the time, and y'all gonna see me tear something off. Like, damn, you cracking. You know what I'm saying? You already know this your boy Tool. Son enough. You don't want to end up in a box. Think I'll serve of it.